Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Scan on QR code there, winner 25 rand. Welcome to Amavenzo TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Orlando Pirates 2, Mackenzie 0. I'm joined by Umenier. What is he?
Sibos.
Manjebe. Etasiki. Yes, sure.
Great, Sibos.
Mnandi.
Yeah, Otisiva. Yeah, Otisiva. Sibo.
Sure.
Ngihleze ngitshela ngithi football
Will kill you. A real death.
Angisuthobe njani.
Oh,
Chawa mantombazana. Asibuyele kahle. Football is a game of
patents.
yes.
Yes.
Football is a game of patents. Ngihleze ngitshela.
Yeah.
Into nje ngihleze ngikuculela yona. Wela sibuyele la. Singamoshi isikhathi. Within first 5 minutes a police udlala i-cut back to Umurem.
Yes.
Umurem ukhahlela phezulu kwepala. 10 minutes. Umfukeng udlala i-cut back to Umbuthu.
Yes. Net.
Kusha in
Net.
inet.
Net.
24 minutes. A police udlala to Umbuthu. Umbuthu uyaheda. Uchipezeza ushaya in.
Safe.
Ushaya safe.
Yeah.
Yabo sibonke labantu laba engibabalayo baqhamuka ngala ka left.
Yes.
Umfukeng
Yeah.
udlale wa police udlala i-cut back to Umurem from ka left.
Yeah.
Left wing.
Yeah.
Umfukeng from ka left wing to Umbuthuma.
Yeah.
A police 24 minutes to Umbuthuma again.
Yes.
Alright, 40 minutes Umfukeng uyabuya uyakora. Igoli lakhe beliqhamuka kuphi? Beliqhamuka la Central. Well, asibuyeleni lana ke kune pattern eyenzakalayo. Lama ama chances ethu siwa create first half. Uyabona majority yayo beqhamuka kuphi? Ngala ka left.
Yes.
Why beqhamuka ngala ka left? Because first half yethu bese ngenayo umuntu o fixed ukuthi wena udlala u10.
Sure.
Bese ngenayo umuntu o fixed ukuthi wena udlala left wing.
Sure.
Between Umfukeng no police bebenze njani? Bebeshintshana so.
Sure.
Leyo nto le yenza kwaba difficult for iMagesi ukuthi yenze njani? Ukuthi idile naleli side leli lethu la kabani? Like left.
Yes.
Because ngalesikhathi sometimes Umfukeng umthola Central, sometimes uthola police because bese ngenayo umuntu o fixed.
Va.
Sibuyele kwigoli. Igoli kaMfukeng 40 minutes liqhamuka Central.
Okay,
Central.
Yeah.
Ama-assist beqhamuka kuphi la amanye ngala ka left. So uyabona vele into yakutshela ukuthi bebenze njani. Bebeshintshana so. Football is a game of patterns. Lento ngibuyisela egemini yesikhukhuni. I still believe ukuthi mekuthiwa Umfukeng a police baqala first half sasokora because ama chances sawathola and then sahlule ukuthi si convert. But then lento le again sibo kufanele ikutshela ukuthi like you cannot ngisho kuthiwa kunjani ubhentshe Umfukeng no police boyi2 same time awukwazi still because amagoli akho alele kubona labantu even igame esikhukhuni bathi mebengena igame enzenjani yaphaka. Football is a game of patterns still. Well, ngokwesiZulu siye sithi Sithibo enethunga ayisengeli phansi. Meaning if unezinto awukwazi ukuhlupheka kunezinto ezinhle. Enethunga ayisengeli phansi. Lento ngibuyisela kubani? Ngibuyisela kuMfukeng. Umfukeng bamkhulume kakhulu Sithibo.
Yeah.
Ayi bamkhulume kakhulu with iAfcon performance yakhe nangoba engakori. But Sithibo mawumnandi.
Yeah,
Umnandi.
God given.
Alright, asibuyeleni la kune bhola first half adlalele uMurem. Lelo bhola ulwine sense la bengathi uyaliteka khona ehamba naleli teka. Washaya ipass to Umurem wenze njani? Wakhatha wa place washaya icave. Fortunately for Uchipezeze wenze njani? Washaya isave. Kuzoba khona enye ipass abethi idlalela Umbuthuma first half. Le pass le i direction yakhe beface bani beface uVan Rooyen la. ne-defense yemagesi benze njani beface da wayikhipha ngala unfortunately for Mbuthuma wangayirida so uyabona ukuthi muzoba nomuntu osmart kanje ya ethi mina ubuye confuse namanye ama player which means umdlalo Mfokeng kumele uphaphame because anytime ngenzeka noma yini sibuyele kwi-goal lakhe Sipho hayi top kakhulu
phasine
top kakhulu
phasikhona
because I think bafundile nalento ukuthi uChipezeze it's not easy ukuthi ukore uChipezeze if uzoza kuyena with the power udinga wenze njani udinga ukuthi umplace because negol lambuthi umuntu uyalichecka bekunokuplace anyana la and then naye Mfokeng wenze njani wabuya wazoplace kulela goal so for mina ngiya-appreciate into enziwa ama-fans today like ngiya-appreciate into enziwa ama-fans because after lama game lawa si-drophile saba ku-number 3 abantu abaningi bebekhuluma bethi si-under pressure but for mina like ngokuchecka i-atmosphere ekhona within i-squad se-Pirates nginalo believe ukuthi amajita awekho under pressure because i-assistance ye-technical team ne-experience yama-player akhona within i-Pirates angeke bevumele ukuthi bebe under pressure just because sebe number 3 ukuthi okay sisele ngama-games mina sibona manje ngisasho for i-team ukuze iwine i-league ngakutshela there's something engathi as a coach ubayifilosofa which is EQDR experience quality proper development ne-squad rotation leyo nto yenzeka kwiBhakani I still maintain if lezo zinto lezo isazokwenzeka this season we stand a good chance if i-league singayiwini kule season kuthi asophinde siwini remember ngithena kwena enethunga ayisengeli phansi sibuyela back to i-performance kaMfokeng top performance still
kuyi-man of the match
for mina uyena i-man of the match siyabonga Sibusiso
thank you Menyere